Here's the thing, if you really want to learn about wine, you have to. The best way to learn about wine is to taste a lot. And I know it's not easy for everybody, maybe you don't have all the money to buy all these unique bottles. That's where wine shows and wine fairs come in handy. It's an opportunity for you to taste a lot of wine in a short amount of time. You just pay for your ticket, usually get a glass, and get ready to taste. Tastings like this happen in big cities. You can also go to smaller tastings in your local wine shop. If you're in a bigger city, you're gonna taste from a wide selection. Crash over there looking good. You have to taste wines next to each other so you have reference points, points of comparison. So many wines, so little time. One thing that I cannot stress enough that's useful in tastings like this is that one of these things, a little wine necklace, especially if you want to take pictures of the wines that you like or you're taking notes. This thing is so cool. What it is, you just put it on, put the wine glass in, and you are hands-free. If I can find one of these on Amazon, I'll put the link in the description box.
I have to tell you something. Off with the taping me, okay? So taste the wine.
We were watching the YouTube channel 2 nights ago. Cracking Croatian wines, love you.
So when you're at a big tasting like this, right now there's over 100 wineries. They're pouring anywhere from 5 to 20 different wines. You're going to be able to taste, experience a lot of different things. You just got to be careful. I know if you're a casual drinker, you don't like to spit, but you have to spit. I know it seems like a waste, but really, if you want to learn about wine, you got to taste as much as possible. That means you have to spit the wines, because if you swallow them, you're going to get drunk really quickly. Every 40 wines that you taste and spit, that's about equal to drinking 1 glass of wine. I've heard of the grapes before. Yeah, I know. I've been there like 1,000 times. Just pour the wine. It smells really oaky. It must be 12 months. Are you sure? Give me your best wine. Just the best wine. You sure this is the best wine? Heavy, heavy red. Biggest one. More. Are you married?
Yeah.
You sure? Do you really like him?
Yeah.
That was fun. Thank you for playing along. I have to say, it feels so good to be at a public tasting event again. Taste the new vintages, keep up, see how your favorite wineries are evolving.
Come to Croatia for the best wines.
Still got a couple more hours to get some good footage. Cheers, Italy! Vinart challenged me to a double blind tasting, and I failed.
I would like to give support to Exotic Wine Channel.
Oh, voila! Thank you so much.
I know that wine's intimidating, but if you keep learning, keep tasting, keep attending events like this and using these tips, I promise you, your knowledge and your confidence with wine will continue to grow.
But most of all, whatever you do, have fun.